Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, and 2, 3, and 3, 2, and 3, and 4, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Great. Question. When I count the rhythm, the classic rhythm, was visible the body action I asked, or was just fit timing? Three different styles. We don't make about the technique, the style difference. I like this when the people are different. I don't obligate the people to dance what I want, but what they feel natural to use this. And then it's no rules about the copy, but you need to feel. Was visible this a 3-1 or no was visible? I will make the music for you guys. It's more slow. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3, and 3, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3, and 3, 2, 3. Bravi. To be honest, I'm happy. But now I change the music. Even they are very good level, and I'm very happy how they dance, we're missing music. Where is the musicality we're missing? Where is the visible timing the music asks and they never express? In the face. Move to the music, it become move to the mouse. It's not in the face. You are right. Is the final results. Can you put the music, my friend, please? When I start to study music, I play. Yes, you can make. I must educate my finger to the sound to play the music. No, I need. When we dance, we need to educate our legs with the music. So, if my rise and fall are connected with the music, all musicality change by the feet. And then you use also body. What is difficult when you are busy about the shape, but you are not connected with the legs. If I connect the timing legs, 1, 2, 3, the body is complete. 1, 2, 3. After 1, my leg start to rise to continue to help my musicality in the body. So the mess is you follow my information. Can you switch, please? No? You follow my information right, but you're missing one step before. Feel the music in your legs. Feel the music in your feet. If I'm missing this leg, feet music, I will feel problem with the body. Please, can you pay attention? I would like other couple join for this. Don't be afraid. We are here to learn. Can you pay attention? What I ask you, plus how much the standing leg timing produce a move leg time, how much rise produce to get the standing leg, the foot time of free leg to create this rotation, rise, body, feet, body, shifting, shift, and continue. Otherwise, what I ask will be no full. Please. Slow waltz with a quick step. This is the new system, how we use the music, slow waltz. Wait. Somebody can enter? I know, just Jurin. I need a couple together. Korea. Okay, all together, please. I don't want to make you alone like this, you know, but you see, you are not many friends, yeah? This is, I'm sorry to tell you. Ready, yeah? And 1, 2, 1, 2. And 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 3, and 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, and 3, and 2, and 4, 2. 1, 2, and 2, and 3, and 2, 4, 2, 3, and 1. Okay, one more time. It's difficult, but still you are afraid to use, you transfer the weight for the feet. All of you. I was happy, eh? No was wrong. I'm happy how you do performance. If I give my body weight for my partner, I will change it here. I'm empty to the left. And then I change this way. No shifting, no rotation. If I'm here and my right side, I create for my partner presentation, rotation, shape. Now my left side go over the feet to invite my partner there, will be different design. What happens? You are good to the foot with the right, for the music in the leg, but you limit this right side. This right side is a final product about the timing leg, about the spine, and the final reaction. Please, try one more time and feel full your spine, redirect your spine in your direction, pass totally the feet, make you balance, redirect your center, move with the partner, use these 3 standing leg, hip of standing leg, moving leg, and full. One more time. Musica, maestro. Fin. No. One, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Timing leg, timing leg, timing leg. Body timing. Body, body. 1. Good. Good. Bravi. So, we don't have too many time. I use one topic of the music. The lesson starts how the music system changed our technique to move. For sure, 1, 2, 3 is not wrong. We learn for this, and we have education in this case. This is an upgrade of how we count to simple time, how we make a syncopation time, or how we use space-time of the music. In the music, we have 3 important components we listen when we listen to the sound. One is intensity. So more the music is strong, more intensity. Second component, how is long from one note another note. So how the music is long. Distance. The next is decay. How the music ending when the sound finish. Okay, so we have this. Intensity, duration. Decay. Intensity, duration. Decay. And you can play with the sound like you want. Thank you. more you are aware with the body weight, more you're aware to feel the music in the leg, you feel in the feet, more you can create a fantastic choreography and a good musicality to attract judge, public, and to be different by your feeling. So first, again, thank you, Mr. Asis, Roberto, Erne, all Germany.